What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Owell from Roblox Piggy. Now the first thing we're going to do is draw a large circle on the top of our page for the head. Now if you're not comfortable doing this freehand, you can always trace a plate or a bowl. So let's start at the very top. Just going to work our way out towards the left. Let's bring that down along the side and then back in towards the middle. Now we're going to work our way back up along the right side. We're going to go out and then up. All the way around and back up towards the top. And now we're going to move to the center of the head and draw on the beak. Let's start right in the middle of the circle. Start with a point. Now from here we're going to draw a straight line coming down towards the tip of the beak to right about there. Let's draw on the bottom edge. From the bottom, curve up and then out. Go back to the center and do the same thing on the right side. Let's connect the top of the beak to the sides with a curve. Going out and bending that down. Let's tuck the bottom of the beak underneath. From this point, we're going to step down, start with another point. Then from here, it's going to curve out and up on the left, leaving a little overlap on the side. Let's move out to the side and draw two circles for the eyes. We're going to start on the top left. Drawing that first circle, coming down towards the bottom of the eye, around, and then back up. Let's line this up on the right side, and bring that down toward the same height, back out, and then up towards the top. Let's draw a smaller circle on the inside edge of the left eye. So we're starting on the inside, out, around, and then back in. And then we'll fill the right eye in black. Let's add two ovals on the side of the head for the cheeks. So directly underneath the left eye, drawing that oval. Coming down, around, and then back up. Again, we're going to line this up on the right, go down toward the same height, and then back up towards the top. Let's go back up to the top of the eyes and draw two thick eyebrows. We start on the left, and go down and in on top of the eye. Line this up on the right, and go up and out. Now we'll flatten off the inside of the eyebrow, going up and in with a short line. We're going to do the same thing on the outside. That same length line. And we'll close off the top with a straight angled line. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now we're going to add that trim that goes around the eyebrows and then down on top of the beak. So let's start on the left side of the head, curve up above the eyebrow, and round this out. And it's going to pull that in and then down on the left side of that top center point. Let's move over towards the right, going up, around the eyebrow, and then bend that out. Let's add two pointed ears on the top of the head. We're going to line up at the center of the left eye, step up, curve up, and then out. Let's line this up on the right, do the same thing. And we'll pull the ears coming down and in toward the side of the head. Go straight down, and then bend that in. Let's add a fold along the top of the ear. From the inside, step down, it's going to curve up, and then out toward the tip of the ear. Now we want to layer the hat brim in behind the head. So from the bottom edge of the ear, step down, and curve out, and then up. Line this up on the right side, and do the same thing. And going back to the left side, curve up and out. And we'll start to bring that back in. Starting back on the left, curve up and in, And then we'll connect these 2 points with a slight curve, going up in the middle, and then bending that back down. Let's go to the center of the hat brim, step all the way up to the top, start with a point. And from this point, we're going to curve out and then down towards the left, go back up to the top, curve out, and then down on the right. Let's add that small detail on the right side of the hat. Starting down here, curve out, and then up. I'm just going to taper this out, and then back in towards the top of the hat brim. Now we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start on the left side, underneath the head, curve the body going out, and then down toward the bottom of the dress, move over towards the right, go out in the opposite direction, and then down towards the same height. And we'll add some folds along the bottom of the dress, starting on the left, curve down and then up on both sides. And we'll connect the inside with another curve, coming down and then up. Let's add a fold from these 2 points, starting on the left, go straight up, and we'll just bend that in. Now we're tuck the legs in underneath the dress, leaving a small gap in the center, move over towards the left, draw a straight line coming down towards the heel, go over towards the right, and do the same thing. Now we want to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left heel, curve down, and then bend the foot going back up. And then we'll curve the top of the foot. Starting from the toe, we're going to go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel. Do the same thing on the right, leaving a gap on the inside. And then from the bottom corner of the dress, we're going to step in and bend out the side of the leg. Let's start on the left. Stepping in, curve out, and then down. Now we're going to draw a character holding a broom on the left side. So let's start from the top of the body, step out, curve down, and then out. We're going to add a point of fur, coming back in with a short line. And then from here, we're going to curve the arm, coming down, and then back out towards the wrist. Let's round out the thumb. From the wrist, we're going to go up, come down, and then hook that in, and then we'll just taper that back up and in. Let's curl 3 fingers around the broomstick. Starting from the outside of the thumb, draw a half oval, going out and in, going back to the bottom, go out, in, and then tuck this up underneath the thumb, and then we'll do that one more time. And then we'll draw the handle of the broom in behind the fingers. Let's start at the very top, starting on the outside, start with a straight line going up, step in, draw another line going up, and we'll close off the top with a curve, almost like a half circle. And then we'll continue these 2 lines underneath the hand. Let's start with the one on the outside, step in, draw that twice, close off the bottom with a straight line. Now we're going to step up and draw another line going across. Let's go to the bottom left corner of the handle. We're going to curve out and then down, go to the inside, go in the opposite direction. And we'll close off the bottom with a straight line, step up and draw another line going across. And then we'll spread the broom going out towards the side. Let's start on the left. Come down, bend that out. Do the same thing on the inside. And then we'll connect the bottom corners with a curve. Come down and then up. Let's add a little bit of texture to the broom. Starting in the center, start with a short line going up, go over towards the left, curve in and up. Do the same thing on the right. Now underneath the strap, right in the middle, draw a short line coming down, go up to the top, and draw another line. And we'll add 2 shorter lines on either side. Now I'm going to close off the bottom edge of the arm. Starting from the bottom finger, step down, curve in, just bend this up underneath the body. Let's line up the inside of the arm over on the right side, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, we'll draw a small half circle, coming in and then out. At the bottom, we'll add a bracket. Let's add in 3 fingers. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, I'm gonna come down, and then up around that bracket. Step down, go out and up. I'm gonna draw 1 more finger, going out. I'm just gonna pull this up towards the base of the shoulder, to right about there. And we'll add that same point we have on the left side. Starting up here, curve out and up. And I'm just gonna pull this in and up underneath the head. And that's pretty much it. There's Owell from Roblox Piggy. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.